What method is used to reduce the dimensionality of data? What term describes data with only one variable? What technique is used to explore relationships between variables? What is the primary goal of multivariate analysis? What type of analysis deals with a single aspect or variable? What measure evaluates the strength and direction of a linear relationship between two variables? What method is used to determine the optimal number of clusters in clustering analysis? What type of data analysis deals with multiple variables simultaneously? What measure is used to evaluate the spread of data points around the mean? What type of data involves more than one variable?